What angle are we at here? It's crazy. We're at almost 30 degrees. Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor. Today we've got a fun one. This is the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro, and we are gonna go take it off-road. That's right, that's where the TRD Pro is meant to be. Honestly, probably doing a little bit higher speed off-road stuff, but we're gonna do some low speed, test out its crawl control. It's a little noisy right now because we've got the AC blasting. It's toasty out here in the middle of Texas, but it's going to be nice and cool inside in this beautiful red interior. I don't actually know if I'd go as far as to say beautiful, but it's striking, that's for sure. It's got a little bit of a camo effect in there too. So get on over to the driver's seat. A lot of people are really liking the looks of the TRD Pro. Got that light bar in the front. I don't know why it's not on. I hit the button, but maybe there's some sort of prereq you gotta have. Here we go again, TRD Pro, badges everywhere, TRD, Tundra, cool pedals. Oh, let's get this air tuned down a little bit. Big old panoramic sunroof. Got the rear window that slides down. Nice big infotainment. We are in 4 high. Let's get to it. I have done this off-road section once already with a limited truck for the Winding Road channel. It's gonna be my first time driving the TRD. And that means it'll be my first time doing the off-road section with the iForce Max hybrid motor as well. There we go, we've got our front camera now that we're slowing down a little bit. Oh, already this thing is taking the bumps a lot better than the Limited I was out here with earlier. Toyota's done such a good job at just making the TRD products cool. I'll say I mean, these are pre-production vehicles, but some of these have had a little bit more rattling than I would like. Even in this off-roady type of stuff or on-road. So this part is really friggin' sweet. There's no other way to put it. You see this rock wall and you're like, how in the world are we gonna make that? I will show you. Hey man.
Hello.
So I've done it once before, so I'm just gonna get everything engaged.
Yeah,
and
you're in low range. You don't. Yeah, low range is all that really matters. You don't have to use the crawl control if you don't want to.
I'm gonna do it just because it's cool.
Yeah, I'm all about that. I'll spot you a little bit if that's all right.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yep.
Okay. All right. So we are in 4 low now, and we're going to go drive mode. No, not drive mode. Crawl control. Crawl unavailable. See owner's manual. Is that because I'm not in drive? There we go. Crawl control. We're gonna go low 1, and then you just let your foot off the gas, and it's like cruise control for going off-road. My foot's not on the gas. I mean, look how steep this is. This is a cliff. And the truck is just gonna do it all itself. I don't even think we have the diff locked right now. Got the cameras to show us. I mean, what angle are we at here? It's crazy. We're at almost 30 degrees. And it's just going right up. If you want to go faster, you turn this knob. You got faster crawl control. It's so cool. Alright, and then you can just put your foot on the gas and go faster if you want. Just turn off crawl control and just hit it. this is fun. When I was in the Limited earlier, it was like, yeah, it did it, but I'm like, why would you be doing this if you didn't have to? The TRD, I already just feel, I feel like I'm in a more proper machine for doing this sort of stuff. All right, I'm gonna take it out of 4 high. Or sorry, out of 4 low into 4 high. And away we go. Again, nice having that front camera. You can see what you're coming up to. Averaging 2.5 miles per gallon right now. Oh. Oh man, a lot to like about the new Tundra. It's still got that cool factor. The looks are obviously much different, but a much better interior, much better infotainment, and just a truck for 2021. I mean, it feels much more updated, and that's all the Tundra really needed, because even the outgoing model is still a decent truck. But you can be in here, you can be doing heavy-duty off-road stuff like this and still have your phone wirelessly charging and hooked up to CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly. And you got massaging seats. Alright, we are going to engage downhill assist control, which is kind of the opposite of crawl control. Say I'd like to max out about 10 miles per hour, and then as truck starts coasting down the hill at 10, sort of engages the brakes, keeps us from running away. Grunt. Here's a steeper section. Let's do the downhill assist. You can dial that all the way back to 2 miles per hour. Sorry, 3 miles per hour. Look at that. Foot's off the brake, and it's just managing the descent for me. All I gotta do is steer. And when I'm ready to speed up, I can just twist the knob or press the gas. I could go without that big Toyota thing over there. That's a little cheesy. At this point, we've got back into 4 low. We're gonna put crawl control back on. Put it into low 1, and then there are these pretty intense logs over the trail, and we are going to just let the truck walk right over them. It's like semi-autonomous off-roading. I mean, these are straight up big logs over the trail, and the truck is just literally crawling over them. There's another one coming up. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. And click that mode. Oh, can you not change modes in this one? In the Limited I was in, you could make like a invisible truck mode. It looked pretty cool. So this is pretty gnarly. Check out these holes we're about to drive through. This thing is going to do a lot of undulating. You ready? Oh boy. That is about 15 degrees sideways, and it's like nothing for this truck. And there we go. Back into neutral, let's go 4 high. Interesting little shifter they used for this. And there you go. New Tundra TRD Pro. Some pretty intense off-roading, obviously making ease of it. Let's hop out and take a more quick look. Definitely a sweet truck, both all around. Any of the trims in the new Tundra. Got so much more going with it, but when you want to step up to the biggest and baddest, TRD Pro has got it for you. Thank you all so much for watching. Covering a lot more with this truck. Check the links in the description for those videos, and of course, once we get back to HQ in Michigan, we'll do even more with it. And we'll see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.